Welcome CRO family, thanks for joining me today, April 5th, 2024. Subscribing, liking, commenting and pressing that notification bell is very appreciated. This supports your investment. Now let's compare from yesterday's metrics. The price today for your coin is 14.0 cents, down 5.16% with volume down 39.95%. The price is ranging from a high of 14.8 cents and a low of 13.9. CoinGecko is showing a market cap of 3,738,207,000 which is down, and a trading volume of 19,830,000 which is down. Etherscan is showing 308,923 holders, up 75. CoinGecko shows the top 3 exchanges by volume are number 1 Crypto.com, with 36.1%, number 2 is OKX with 12.28%, and number 3 Upbit with 10.61%. For our social presence on X, our main account has 2.8 million followers, and our main Reddit channel has 204,000 members. I hope everyone watching today is living their best CRO life, and I'll see you tomorrow. Au revoir, take care.
Quickly before you go, can you predict tomorrow's price? Let us know in the comments.